Presenting Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop in color platinum grey. It comes with Windows 11 OS and weighs only 1.7 kilograms. Powered by 11th Gen Intel Core i3 processor, this Lenovo laptop can handle anything thrown at it. The processor has 2 cores, 4 threads and 6 MB of cache memory. All these combined with the 4.1 GHz max boost facilitate smooth multitasking. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home Edition operating system and comes with Office Home and Student 2021. With 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, the Lenovo laptop allows excellent multitasking without any load. The RAM is further expandable to up to 12 GB. This, combined with integrated Intel UHD graphics, offers decent video output. The Lenovo laptop comes with 512 GB of SSD storage that offers good space to store your important files and gives fast performance. The laptop draws power from a 45 Wh lithium-ion battery that gives decent battery life of up to 7 hours. It also supports fast charge that pumps up the laptop up to 80% in just 1 hour. The 15.6 inches Full HD display gives this laptop a vast screen area for an immersive viewing experience for work and play. The Micro Edge screen has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and comes with anti-glare coating. The laptop sports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 1 USB-A 2.0 port and 1 HDMI 1.4 port. The box contains the laptop, user manual and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.